All right, folks, here comes Amtrak Coast Starlight, train number 14. Final destination of that train is going to Seattle at the Oakland Coliseum, Oakland Stadium. It's a P42 DC leading off, 39, and ALC 42 tailing number 305. I'd like to give a shout out to Aaron Fong. Thanks for the heads up. So, Amtrak Coast Starlight 14 is going to divert track. He's going to be on that middle track right there in front of me. He's going to be right in front of me. So, he's going to get ready to switch track. So, he has a diverted green down there. All right, here she goes. All right, she's just now switching over to the middle track. P42 number 39 leads off. 39, 305. All right, folks, look at that train. That train is going to Seattle. No horn show for that Starlight. Too bad. Well, anyways, I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.